Hi, good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you poem 4. What is the name of the poem? Sea Song. Do you know how to sing songs? Some members they know, some members they don't know. Today I am going to teach you the sea song. It is not song, it's about something which I will teach you. Okay? It is the name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Sea Song. Have you ever went to the beach? If you go to the beach, recently they took us to the beach, not recently, few months before they took us to the beach, and we all teachers, we all enjoyed a lot, we had a good time. I cannot forget that day. I hope you also have some memories in your life, correct? Here, let's see the sea song lesson. I found a seashell. This lesson is all about shell. Have you ever found a shell? If you go to the beach, automatically you will find so many seashells. I found a curious boy, he found a shell. I found a shell, a curly one. How is that shell? Curly one. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. If you find a very nice shell, what will you do? You will sell? You will just throw it out? If you like it also, you will throw it out? No. What will you do? What will you do? If we like something, we will buy it. Otherwise, if it is for free, we will bring it to our home. Yes or no? Yes. If we like it, we will get it, right? Here also, that boy, he found a shell and he took it and he took it to home and cold inside my hand. Next, mummy looked at it then. He was playing. Mummy saw and mummy took and he was looking at it. And then she held it to my ear. What she did? Mummy held it. I don't think that it is looking like a shell. Imagine that it is a shell. Otherwise, if you have a textbook, you can see here clearly. Down it has they gave shell. Shell in Telugu. Senkam. Senkam. Yeah. Senkam. That one. Shell. And if you listen to that shell, what happens? Some song, some beautiful music, not song, music comes out, correct? If you listen to it. And same thing, mummy also doing. What she's doing? She held it to my ear. That means she held it to that little boy's ear. And from the shell, there came a song. Soft and sweet and clear. How is that song? Soft and sweet and clear. It is not exactly a song. It is a music. It's a type of a music. Soft and sweet and clear. Next. I was surprised. I listened hard. Yeah. I was really surprised. The sound is coming from a small shell. Wow. I listened hard. But it was really true. I wish I would find a nice big shell. Wow. It is really very superb. Nice sound, nice music is coming out from the shell. I wish I would find a big shell. And hear it singing too. I want to find a big shell. I want to hear it singing too. Next, you have to learn this poem. You have up to now with this you have completed 4 poems. You have to learn minimum 2 poems. This is easy. Okay, repeat after me. I found a shell, a curly one. Lying on the sand, I picked it up and took it home cold inside my hand. Once again, I found a shell, a curly one. Lying on the sand, I picked it up, took it home cold inside my hand. Once again, I found a shell, a curly one. Lying on the sand, I picked it up and took it home cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear and shell there came a song. Soft and sweet and clear. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song. Soft and sweet and clear. Once again, these two paragraphs, okay? I found a shell, a curly one. Lying on the sand, I picked it up and took it home cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song. Soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard. I was surprised. I listened hard. But it was really true. But it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. I was surprised. I listened hard. But it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Okay, you learn this poem. This is very easy, Nana. You learn this poem, and after reopening the schools, first of all, I will ask this poem. Understand? Today only you learn this poem. Okay? And activities. About activities also I have to tell you. Total 4 activities you have. 2 completed and two more you have to do. At this weekend I will give you one, and next weekend another one. Okay? I will not force you to do all the activities at a time, and 2 more are there. You can do it slowly. And one thing I hated: incomplete work. If you cannot do any work, take my permission and you can do it after 1 day or the next day or 2 days. No problem at all. Just you people are leaving it like that and showing. Few people are not at all showing to me, and I am very impressed with few. I am telling, I am very impressed with few, but not with all. Few members are delaying the work. I hate incomplete work. Please don't put it incomplete. It is not good for you people also. That's why do your work at least from today. Do your work on time. And few parents are calling me and asking me the first lesson, second lesson. Now I cannot give you, right? See, if one parent is asking, I can understand. If so many parents are asking me to give me the first lesson notes, last lesson notes, second lesson notes, how can I? For so many parents, it is not possible to me. Please understand. I hope you understand, and please don't put any incomplete work. Especially CW. Okay? I hope you understand. Enjoy your day and don't put any incomplete work. Bye bye.